Upstart loan review. Is Upstart a safe and legit way to borrow money? If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the Upstart loan platform has become one of the most talked about options for personal loans, especially among people looking for a fast, simple and transparent way to borrow money online. But is it really safe and legit? Now I'm going to go ahead and break down how Upstart works, what makes it different and whether it's a good fit for you. So Upstart is an AI-powered lending platform that helps borrowers get personal loans for things like debt consolidation, home improvements, or unexpected expenses. Now, unlike traditional banks that focus mostly on credit scores, Upstart uses AI or artificial intelligence and alternative data such as your education, work history, and income potential to assess your credit worthiness. This makes it possible for people with limited credit history and average scores to still qualify for fair loan terms. Now, the application process is completely online and just takes a few minutes. You can check your rate without affecting your credit score, which is a bonus. And if approved, you can receive funds as quickly as the next business day. Upstart offers loans amount ranging from $1,000 to $50,000 with fixed rates and no hidden fees. Everything is explained clearly up front, which adds to its transparency and trustworthiness. In terms of safety and legitimacy, Upstart is fully regulated and partners with legitimate banks. The platform has a strong encryption, privacy protection, and customer support, so your data and transactions are secure. It's also rated highly on major review platforms with thousands of users praising its speed and fairness. However, there are a few things to keep in mind. Interest rates can vary depending on your financial background, and while many users get great rates, others with lower credit or higher risk profiles may see steeper offers. Additionally, Upstart can charge an origination fee on some loans, so it's important to read the terms before accepting. But overall, Upstart is a safe, reliable, and efficient way to borrow money, especially if you're tired of traditional lenders rejecting you basically solely on your credit score. It uses AI, so the use of AI makes it more inclusive, and the process is super quick, transparent, and easy to manage. If you're looking for a personal loan that balances speed with fairness, Upstart is definitely worth considering.